It's also county government wameweza kujenga police station in Kaliti. It was complete, it was costing 32 million. As they were moving to Kalalani, waka deface hiyo police post ambacho kinaitwa kituo cha polisi cha Kaliti in Kitui County. Waka deface, waka rename Tana River. Then they moved it to Kalalani and they chased their officers using we know they have illegal firearms, but on the front wako na panga, mawe, but we know wako na illegal firearms. Eventually, they were able to push the officers, but we restrained their officers there because we did not want to confront raia na silaha. We do not want to destroy life. But then they went to destroying the police station, which was illegal and unlawful. For the first time tunaona raia wanaenda ku destroy police station. We have been accused of sleeping on the job. We have not slept on the job. We are balancing human life, and because askari wangesukumwa wangepiga risasi. If they were injured wangepiga risasi. Na askari wangepiga raia. Na raia ingekuwa ni story ingine. But we are very happy today. The NCIC has come here under the leadership of Makori and to assist us to investigate on a fact-finding mission.
There has been tensions rising between the counties of Tana River and Kitui. As you've heard, we've had lives lost, sadly lives lost. So first of all, it's to condole the families that have lost their lives on both sides of this conflict, which is totally unnecessary that we've lost such lives. Now, mine first of all is to appeal to both residents, Wakenya wote, wanaishi Kitui ama wanaishi Tana River, to appeal first of all for calmness, because maisha kipotea, you will not itarudi, as we format and plan for a response which we'll enumerate in a few minutes. Secondly is to appeal to the leaders. Leadership responsibility is not to incite your people here, those who you represent, that's what I mean, to break the law or to even take lives. That is not your responsibility.